Hello, and welcome to Investigative Math. Today, we will be learning how to add any two fractions in your head, so let's get to it. For our first example, we have 2/5 plus 3/4. Our first step is to find the denominator. To do this, just multiply the denominators of our two fractions. 5 times 4 is 20, so the denominator of our fraction is going to be 20. Next, look at the inner numbers and multiply them. Then take the outer numbers and also multiply those. 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 times 4 is 8. Then just add these, and this will be our numerator. 15 plus 8 is 23, so 2/5 plus 3/4 is 23 over 20. To recap, to find the denominator, just multiply the denominators of our two fractions. 5 times 4 is 20. Then to find the numerator, multiply the inner parts, the outer parts, and then add them. 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 times 4 is 8, and 15 plus 8 is 23. So the numerator of our fraction is 23. Another way you might see this question is basically the same, except our fraction bar is just oriented a little bit differently. To do this, our first step is still the same. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 4 is 20, so our denominator is 20. Then, instead of multiplying the inner digits and the outer digits, cross-multiply. So what that means basically is do 5 times 3, which is 15, and then 4 times 2, which is 8. Then add those, and that's our numerator. Notice you still get the same answer of 2/5 plus 3/4 being equal to 23 over 20. Okay, so for our next example, we have 3/11 plus 4/9. Again, the first step is just to multiply the denominators. 11 times 9 is 99, so the denominator of our fraction is going to be 99. Then, multiply the inner digits. 11 times 4 is 44. Then the outer digits, 3 times 9 is 27, and add those. 44 plus 27 is 71, so our numerator is 71. Now, if they had asked it like this, with the horizontal fraction bar, 3/11 plus 4/9, your first step is still the same. 11 times 9 is 99. Then, do 11 times 4, cross-multiplying, and 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27, 11 times 4 is 44, and 44 plus 27 is 71. So our numerator is 71. So that does it for adding any two fractions in your head. Now that you have an idea of how to do this kind of question, I provided a problem set in the description of this video for you to try a couple for yourself. If you need me to clarify anything for you, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, leave a like, and if you really loved it, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you later.